Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping inside a home that blends the simplicity of Amish tradition with the comforts of humble living. This isn't your typical farmhouse. It's a carefully designed property in Indiana that reflects Amish craftsmanship, family-centered values, and a subtle embrace of humble conveniences. As we move through the listing, photo by photo, you'll notice how the home maintains its cultural identity while offering features any humble family would appreciate. Let's begin the tour. Here we see the first impression. A modest but striking two-story farmhouse with clean lines, a neutral exterior, and simple trim. Unlike many suburban houses, there are no flashy accents here, just pure function and form. The wide front porch is a classic Amish design element, encouraging family time outdoors and neighborly connection. Notice how the home sits on expansive land, framed by open skies. Amish homes are often built on acreage, reflecting their agrarian lifestyle, and this property is no exception. From the side, we see the practicality of design. Large windows are spaced evenly for natural light. Amish families rely heavily on daylight, since traditional Amish households limit electric use. Even in a humble Amish home, you'll notice layouts that maximize light flow. The yard itself is flat, usable, and perfect for gardening, livestock, or children's play, all central to Amish family life. Stepping inside, the first thing that stands out is the simplicity. Clean hardwood floors, white walls, and uncluttered space. Amish interiors avoid excessive decoration, preferring functionality. Yet here, you see subtle, humble touches, smooth finishes, updated materials that elevate the space beyond strictly traditional design. This balance is what makes it a humble Amish home, honoring the plain aesthetic but blending in contemporary durability. The living room is wide and inviting. Amish families often gather in large groups, so open floor plans are common. You'll see the absence of excessive electronics, no oversized TV in the listing photos, because Amish values discourage screens as the center of family life. Instead, furniture placement encourages conversation and community. Look closely at the trim work and flooring. High-quality wood is central in Amish construction, and every board here reflects durability and care. Now we step into the heart of any Amish home, the kitchen. This space is both practical and humbleized. Amish kitchens are traditionally large to handle canning, baking, and feeding extended families. This one has ample counter space, clean cabinetry, and room for multiple cooks to work side by side. Show how humble Amish families may adapt to conveniences while still cooking from scratch and preserving food in bulk. The dining area is expansive, with space for a long farmhouse table. Meals are central to Amish culture, not just for nourishment, but for bonding. The simplicity of the space, combined with durable design, reflects that philosophy. The bedrooms are plain yet spacious. White walls, hardwood floors, and large windows dominate. No ornate fixtures, no flashy designs. Instead, these rooms offer quiet retreats meant for rest. What makes them humble Amish is scale and comfort. These bedrooms are larger than what you might find in older Amish homes, with layouts suited to queen or king-sized beds. The simplicity also allows for personalization while respecting cultural values. The attic of this home is more than just an afterthought. It's a purposeful extension of living space, designed with Amish practicality in mind. Unlike many English homes where the attic is small, unfinished, and often neglected, Amish families view every square foot of a house as valuable. What stands out here is the simplicity. There are no ornate built-ins or decorative trims, just straightforward utility. Yet that's exactly what makes it powerful. Amish homes are designed for function over form, and an attic like this ensures that the main living areas remain uncluttered. Families can tuck away heirlooms, tools, and household goods while keeping the everyday spaces open and welcoming. Moving outside again, we see garages and barns. While some Amish families avoid automobiles, many humble Amish communities use them selectively or allow English neighbors to provide transport. The barn structures are classic Amish, functional, durable, and ready for animals, tools, or farm equipment. Finally, we take in the land. Amish life is rooted in connection to the earth. This acreage is not only beautiful, but purposeful. Wide open fields provide space for farming, gardening, or simply enjoying the quiet landscape. For buyers, it's a rare chance to own a piece of land that feels like a step back in time while still allowing humble comfort. The differences between Amish and English homes go far beyond surface-level design. They reflect two fundamentally different worldviews, one rooted in humility, family, and simplicity, the other in progress, individuality, and convenience. A humble Amish home, like the one in Indiana, is fascinating because it bridges these worlds. It keeps the humility of Amish design, plain walls, handcrafted furniture, family-centered layouts, while quietly adapting to humble comforts. In doing so, it stands as a reminder that homes aren't just structures. They're reflections of the values of the people who live within them. This home is more than just a listing. It's a rare look into how Amish families are blending tradition with the necessities of today. From its simple design to its expansive land, it tells the story of faith, family, and function, all while offering the conveniences of humble life. Whether you're drawn to the craftsmanship, the lifestyle, or simply the peace of country living, this Indiana property is a glimpse into a way of life that values both roots and progress. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you enjoyed exploring this humble Amish home, be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more unique property spotlights. Until next time, keep discovering homes that tell a story.